Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So on the front, as we can see, we have just a picture of the Oculus Quest 2. Flip it round to the side, just shows inside the box we've got the VR headset, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, power adapter, glasses spacer, a charging cable. This is the 64GB version. There is also a 256GB version, just so you've got more space to store them games if you're playing on the standalone Oculus games off the Oculus Store. So again, that is saving games, you know, not using the PC. Flip it round to the back here. We've got some pictures here of some games. Now these games are all available on the Oculus Store and they will work standalone on the headset, which is absolutely fantastic. Now if you wanted to buy these on the Quest Oculus Quest store, you know, take these around your family's house. You don't need to lug a PC around with you. You could play these directly on the headset. So that is absolutely fantastic. Flip that round. There's some mumbo jumbo on there. Nothing more on the box. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Now today is actually my birthday. Yes, I know. Happy birthday, Daniel. Please leave a comment in the comment section saying happy birthday, Daniel, because that will be brilliant. Thank you very much. Or click the like button. Now let's go ahead and open this up. So we just flip this lid open here. Oh! Inside we got this cardboard insert. So again, it's all cardboard packaging apart from the little plastic outer wrapping. We have the headset here, which we can see are 4 camera trackers, and then the plastic is kind of like a matte grey / white. Looks really nice. Now the strap here, I don't know how that's going to hold up with your, you know, toffee fingers touching it. Could get dirty really quick. Now there is somewhere on here a USB port for the charging and also for the link cable. So out of the box we got this little protective piece of paper on here. Go ahead, peel this off. That reveals the buttons on the headset. So we've got a little volume rocker at the bottom here. Coming round, we've got, I believe, a power button on the side there. Nothing on the top. Bring it around here and we can see we've got our I think that's like an audio jack on there, and we've got our charging port and also our link cable plug just there. So flip it round, we can see we got some instructions here on how to move the lenses in case you've got, you know, wide eyes, and it just makes it more comfortable. We got some foam here which goes against your face to make it comfortable. Now you can get like a silicone cover for these if you do have a sweaty face, because this will absorb all of your sweat. And then also if you want to resell it in the future, having a silicone cover on there just obviously helps that, so it won't be full of all your grime. Open this up, we can see the lenses under there. Excellent, so that is the headset. Brilliant, fantastic. Looks really cool actually in this white. What have we got here? So we have the glasses spacer. So this clips on, basically gives you that little bit of extra room to fit your glasses inside. Next up we got the controllers. So these are the new and improved Oculus Quest 2 controllers. Now I don't believe the old controllers are compatible, so if you've still got the old controllers, I don't believe they will work on the Quest 2. I could be wrong, but these again, these are not compatible on the Rift S, which is unfortunate. That would have been nice to see if you managed to somehow get an old second-hand pair of these on eBay. Maybe it would have been nice if you could have used these with the Rift S, but they look really nice. They are kind of like a matte whitey grey colour. It's hard to explain the texture. I think these, you know, you could wipe them down, but these will get grimy, you know, pretty quick in all the gaps. If you remember the old Xbox 360 controllers, the old white ones, you know, they would always build up a lot of grime in all the cracks. But other than that, they do look really nice. What else do we have in here? We have this little package here. I presume this will have our charging cable, our power adapter. Yes, it does. So we've got a little charger there. That's got the mini USB Type-C on there. Got a charging cable, and we have some instructions here. So what's that say on there? That's just a warranty guide and a quick start. Probably not too much information on here. I'm guessing they just want you to wing it, plug it in, and, you know, figure it out for yourself. There should really be maybe a bigger instruction manual just to tell you how to get it going. But yeah, I presume once you turn it on, stick it on your face, it'll probably give you a whole load of more information, because it doesn't tell you what you need to start. Do you need a Facebook account? I presume you do. But again, that probably will tell you on the headset when you fire it up. So what else is there to cover? That is it. There's not really anything else in the box. So that is my unboxing. Thank you very much for watching. Please check out my other videos. I am going to do a full review on this. I'm going to check out some games. I'm going to have a look at what the best Oculus games are available. So please go ahead, check out my channel, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm looking forward. I want to go put this on now and get into VR. So I will see you later. Goodbye. Woohoo!